Namaste to all who are all seeing this video. In this video, we are going to see what is gravity and how it is useful. Let us see what is gravity. Gravity is the force by which a planet or body draws objects towards its center. The force of gravity keeps all of the planet in orbit around the sun. Now let us see a real life situation. We are leaving a stone from a multi-storied building. The stone will go towards the earth. This is an example for free fall. The object falling only because of the gravitational force. While the stone falling, it accelerates. This acceleration is due to gravity, and this is denoted by lowercase g. Using few mathematical equations, we can derive the value of g like this. We can use this equation for free fall when the objects are very close to the earth. In this equation, uppercase g denotes the universal gravitational constant, where m denotes the mass of the earth, or denotes the radius of the earth. The objects are close to the earth. The value of g is 9.8 meter per second square. This value is not dependent on the object's mass. The equation m denotes the mass of the earth, not the mass of the object. For this, we will see a real life situation. If we are leaving a stone and a paper at the same time from same height, what will reach the ground first? Yes, the stone will reach the ground first, and later the paper will reach. Stone first reached the ground before the paper because of the air resistance present in the path of traveling. Let us see what's happening when we are leaving the same stone and paper in a room with no air, that is a vacuum. The both objects will reach the ground at the same time. Air resistor room, both the stone and the paper fall at the same time, irrespective of their masses. This proves that all the objects, irrespective of their mass, fall at the same time for equal distance. If you ask anybody, they will say this as gravity, but this not only gravity, this is a case in gravity. Gravity is a fundamental interaction which causes mutual attraction between all things that has mass. In the universe, there are two objects and they are separated with a distance. This object attracts this object toward itself, and this object attracts this object towards itself. This attraction between the two objects is known as the gravitational force. According to Newton's law of gravitation, every particle in the universe attracts every other particle with a force whose magnitude is directly proportional to the product of their masses. That is, F is directly proportional to m1 and m2. Now let us take this as equation 1, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between their centers, that is, F is inversely proportional to r square. Now let us take this equation as the second equation. Equating equation 1 and 2, we get F is equal to r caps g into m1 m2 by r square, where F is the gravitational force between the two objects measured in Newton. G is the universal gravitational constant with a value of 6.674 into 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. M1 is the mass of one massive body in kg. M2 is the mass of another massive body measured in kg. R is the separation between them measured in kilometer. A same object in Earth and the same object in Moon has the same mass but different weight. Now let us see why. The amount of matter in the object is constant, so the mass is also constant anywhere. Weight is the measure of the gravitational pull on the object. According to Newton's second law of motion, F is equal to ma. Substituting the value of g in m, F is equal to mg. Substituting the value of weight in the place of force, weight is equal to m into g, where W is equal to weight, m is mass, and the g is the acceleration due to gravity. If we are in the solar system, we feel weightlessness because in the solar system the gravity was very low when compared to the Earth. Now let us see some uses of gravity in daily life. Walking is one of the most prevalent physical behaviors observed in practically every living terrestrial species. We cannot float or perform levitation when walking since our feet are in close contact with the earth. Gravity, the ultimate phenomena, assists us in walking. Fruits fall from trees because the earth's gravitational force is always exerted on the tree and the fruits, and when the fruits are detached from the tree, it falls due to the gravity. There are many more examples related to gravity in our day-to-day life. If we are understanding and using the gravity in a proper manner, our technology will grow rapidly. Members participated for this video are Thank you for spending your precious time to see this video.